Hey everybody, it's me, Greg, with LeGrand Drain Cleaning and Pressure Washing, Gainesville, Florida. I got a question for you. Have you ever had some equipment come in and there was a problem with it? And if you did you get good customer service or bad customer service? Well, if you remember, a couple weeks ago, I got that water-fed pull system, from Pure Water, from the people at CWC, and I had a leaky top. So, did they take care of me, or did they let me down? I'll let you know in just a couple minutes after my sponsorship. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and use that Amazon link, baby. We'll be right back. Now that we're in this a little bit, I just want to mention the people at CWC are really good with their customer service. If you remember, this had just a straight hose like that going into it. So this hose came on that side, and it was putting a little bit of a bind there, a little bit of stress. So I called them up and said, hey man, your hose is too short. So they sent me another piece of hose and they sent me this. So this will just plug right in, and that will face down, and the hose will come down through here. So I actually undid this and undid this hose. They make it easy because they have a nice swivel connection here. And I routed this hose to that side of this bar before it was on this side, and then this hose will go under here. And then all I got to do, probably on camera with one hand, we'll see how that works. It's just like you do with your water-fed poles. That's in there good. And we'll go with this hand. It'll have a little bit of stress to begin with, but I should be able to get it right up in there, hopefully with one hand. Yep, there you go. And that problem, I believe, is solved. Let me turn the water on and we'll find out. Yes, sir. We have it in the back flush. And there she is, full stream back flushing, no leaks so far. So we are stress-free, leak-free, I believe. I'm going to switch it over. And you got a little bit coming out there like it's supposed to. So when I switch this over, I'll crimp this line, and that'll mean pressure will be there. And it won't hopefully be leaking. I got it crimped off, no water coming out. Ne'er a leak to be had. Thank you, CWC, for the fast shipment on those parts. Bye.